In this tutorial, I'm going to show you all how to use the photo feature. Okay, so I've chosen a template that has photographs in it already, and I am going to pretend that I am making an infographic for our alcohol unit. So I'm going to go over to Photos, and I'm going to search for alcohol. Okay, now automatically I get photos that pop up, but I also get up here different related search terms. Okay, so it looks like that's alcohol abuse, liquor, drinking. Okay, so that'll help you come up with different search terms if you're not finding what you are looking for from your initial search. Okay. So in order to use the photos, you're simply going to click and drag until it pops into the correct space, which can sometimes be really tricky, as you can see. So if that happens, that means it didn't click into the space that you wanted it to. So I'm just going to delete it and try it again. There we go. So when it appears in the background, that's when you've done it right. Okay, so you can see that's a little bit tricky. Now let's say I want the photo to be a little bit differently formatted here. So I'm going to double click on it. Okay, and I can't change this one much, but I can drag it a little this way so you see more of that glass. Okay, or I can drag it that way and you can see less. Okay, so that's by double clicking on the photograph itself. Okay, all right, so let's try another one. So I'm dragging until it appears. Dragging till it appears. Okay, and again, when you search, it's going to spit out some related search terms for you. Okay, so that's the photo feature on Canva.